Hello students and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn formation of all tenses. In this video, we will learn the formation of present indefinite tense to present perfect continuous tense and so on. First of all, we will learn the formation of present indefinite tense. It's also called simple present tense. So, its formation is subject plus V1, that is first form of verb, plus S or ES that we add with our first form of verb, plus object. Subject plus V1, that is first form of verb, plus SES plus object. Now I will write the formation of present continuous tense. The formation is subject plus is or am. Is or am we use according to our subject, plus V1, that is first form of verb, plus ing plus object. Now we will write the formation of present perfect tense. The formation is subject plus have or has. We use has or have according to our subject, plus V3, that is third form of verb, plus object. Now we will write the formation of present perfect continuous tense. The formation is subject plus has or have, that we always use according to our subject, plus been, plus V1, that is first form of verb, plus ing plus object, and plus, very important, time. Present perfect continuous tense contains time that can be a defined or indefined time. Now I will write the formation of past indefinite tense. The formation is subject plus V2, that is second form of verb, plus object. Now I will write the formation of past continuous tense. The formation is subject plus was or were. We use was or were according to our subject, plus V1 plus ing, that shows the continuity, plus object. Now we will learn the formation of past perfect tense. The formation is subject plus had plus V3, that is third form of verb, plus object. Now we will learn the formation of past perfect continuous tense. The formation is subject plus had plus been plus v1 that is first form of verb plus ing that shows the continuity plus object plus time. Again, this time can be defined or indefined. Now, for defined time, we use the word since before the time, and for indefined time, we use the word for before the time. Now, we will write the formation of future indefinite tense. It also called future simple tense. The formation is subject plus will or shall. We use the word will or shall according to our subject plus v1 that is first form of verb plus object. Now we will add the formation of future continuous tense. The formation is subject plus will plus be plus v1 plus ing plus object. Now formation for future perfect tense, that is subject plus will plus have plus v3 that is first form of verb plus object. And last but not the least, formation of future perfect continuous tense, that is subject plus will plus have been. Have been is compulsory and fixed plus v1 plus ing plus object and plus time. Hope you guys learned something new. Thank you so much for watching this video.